Good morning, children. This is class 4th EVS book. Let's continue explanation of lesson 7 water. Previous we have learned about water, importance of water, sources of water, what is water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation and transpiration. Now let us continue. Where does tap water come from? Most of us get drinking water from municipal water supply systems. The source of drinking water is usually from lakes, streams and groundwater wells. In many places where river water is unavailable, people use wells, hand pumps and tube wells to the underground water. It is pumped up through porous rocks such as chalk, limestone and sandstone in which water can collect. Dams are made in the valleys in wet hilly areas for water storage. Dams and reservoirs trap surface water from rivers and other sources. Near large towns, water may be stored in huge reservoirs. Desalination is a water supply option that is used widely around the world and involves taking the salt out of water to make it drinkable. Many countries use desalination as a way of creating a more reliable water supply that is not dependent on rain. During the monsoon, seawater moves up inland and fills up the pans. Then dikes trap them in these pans. When the water evaporates, huge amount of salt is left behind. Drinking impure water causes waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, jaundice, cholera and typhoid. We can make impure water clean and safe by doing the following work. First, reverse osmosis and RT purifier proves to be one of the best methods of purifying water. Second, water chlorination. Third, distillation. Fourth, solar purification. Fifth, clay vessel filtration. And sixth method is desalination. Now children, your homework is to read lesson 7 water very nicely. Thank you children.